Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here again. I am so excited. Um, I got some things from the Wellness Club. If you haven't heard about them, they are a full family, total health and wellness supply store that you can shop for things for yourself and your family from the whole body, makeup, skincare, wellness food, some foods. They sell beef, they sell spices, protein shakes, just all sorts of things. Anyway, I ordered some things I've been ordering for the last few months, and I'm very excited about their products and very happy with their products. I will say I haven't been happy with anything skincare related in a long time. I've had so many issues going on with my skin. That's for the face as well as the body. Itching, rashes, breaking out, going from oily to extremely dry. And I just think that it's because I'm aging. I'm getting older. My skin is changing, and that's okay. But I need to find something that works for me. So what I did is this is an all natural line, and I'm excited about that because I'm finding that natural products work best for me. They work best for most people. Who wants something with chemicals all over the place, all in it, making them sick, making things worse? For them. I don't want it for myself. I don't want it for my son. I don't want it for you. So anyway, I ordered some things from the Wellness Club, and it's part of their beauty line. I didn't use the products, but I did open the box. I wanted to open it to make sure that I had everything that I ordered, and I do. But I opened the box, and I just want you guys to look at the box. I just like it because it's packaged so well. It has a little note. As soon as you open the box, it says thank you on it. And who doesn't love that? Who doesn't love when things are packed well and great customer service, even though you aren't talking to someone on the phone or seeing someone in person? And I like this because as soon as you open up the box, you have a little note. And I love that. I really do. It says, you only get one life, one body, one opportunity on earth. Let's make it great. And I love that because it's so true. You only get one of you. There's only one of you. You only have one body, one skin. And I love that. And you have some little filler material. And this I am excited to try. This is their body lotion called Renew. And I'm excited to try this because I've heard great things about it. My son suffers from eczema. He gets really dry, itchy, sometimes flaky, scabby skin. And I heard that this product is really great. It's highly moisturizing naturally, but it doesn't leave the skin feeling greasy or anything like that or any oil residue. I like their products because their melaleuca oil, if you know what that is tea tree oil. So it's the first water thing is water. So that's gonna be great. It hydrates your skin. Hydrated skin is skin that's more alive. It's less wrinkly. It's less itchy. Um, less inflamed. So we'll smell that. I've never used this before. Oh, cap. I think I spilled some out. Oh, it's very it has a very subtle fragrance. Oh, it has a little pump. I like this pump. It's nice and heavy, durable. You don't get anything that's flimsy that you would find in one of the big box retail stores. The lotions that are on their shelves that we have. I think I have one on the bathroom counter right now that I have been waiting to replace. So this is the pump. Let's see if it fits in. How does it fit in here? It should fit like any other pump. There. So it fits. I have the pump. Does it pump right out? Do I have I have to turn it. I'm gonna use a few. Oh, see, it looks like that. I should have bought two. This is the big one. I believe it's 20 ounces. 20 ounces. This is the regular scent. I know they do have a lavender scent, but I didn't purchase that since it was my first time getting this product. Oh, it absorbs really fast, very quickly, and it's not sticky. No oily residue. It doesn't feel heavy. So I think he's gonna love that. And I may order the lavender one for myself. I didn't get a lot of products. Um, I wanted to try this eye cream. This is the Night Recovery Eye Cream. I also got the Cooling Eye Gel along with the dark circle correcting eye serum. So we'll look at let's look at the serum first since we usually use a serum before we use a cream. So let's look at the serum first. Oh, that's nice. My favorite color, as you can tell. Purple. And I love that it's heavy in jojoba oil. There's a lot of jojoba oil, glycerin, peppermint oil. Oh, it's not heavily fragranced. You do kind of smell a little bit of scent. It's very thin, like a serum should, most serums are thin. And this helps with dark circles. You can use it morning or evening. It's not, it's not oily. It smells like a Andes mint. There's no chocolate in it, but it smells like an Andes mint, and I really love that. I'm gonna like using that. This is the cooling eye gel. I think you can use it day or evening, or anytime your eyes feel like they need a little hydration and you don't want to use a full on cream. Oh, can you see it? The little balls there help with puffiness and to keep the eyes cool. I'm used to it all and they roll. That's good. Already. It feels so good. Oh, it's not a heavy, thick gel. You see it? It's very light. Goes on like that. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like it. You can see it brightens a little bit. It's brightening my hand. Also has a little bit of it's not heavy. It's very light, like a minty sort of smell, but it's very, very subtle. And I think you can use this day or evening. You'll put the serum on first. You'll put that on top of it. Now, if you want to follow up with the cream, that's up to you. I don't think there's a need to follow up with the cream when you're wearing the cooling eye gel, but I guess that's up to you. This is the Night Recovery Eye Cream, and it looks small, but their products are very, very concentrate. A little bit goes a long way. So it looks like that. Oh, it's very very thick. I think you can get away with this. Whether you use something in the morning or the evening, it's totally up to you. You could get away with this, like if you weren't wearing any makeup, by it being colder outside and a lot of different areas. It's not heavily scented. Oh, but it's so soft. Oh, it just feels like a pillow. I love eye creams. You guys know that I was using a luxury eye cream for several years, and I just love it. I was paying a lot of money for it, and it worked for me until it didn't. It worked for me for several years until it didn't. Like I said, I was having a ton of skin issues, and I loved it though. I really did love it. And this is the face moisturizer. Now, I didn't get anything anti-aging when it came to moisturizer because I was having so many issues with my skin. I wanted to just try out the basic product to get some hydration to see how it feels before I add anything anti-aging. And if this works, which I believe it will, I will go ahead and get a night cream, a day cream, a whole line. Oh, I like it. I like the packaging. I like the packaging. You don't find many face creams with a pump, and I do. I like. Oh, no, it has a cap, and I like that. I like that it has a pump. Let's use this hand. I put a lot on that hand. Ooh, it's very light. It's like a little. It's like a gel formula. Now this is a basic one. I guess if you're extremely dry, you wouldn't use it. But for I would say normal combination lightly dry skin, even oily skin. Oh, it's so because the issue with me is I was so oily for all of my life, and then all of a sudden I started getting so dry, and yeah, oh, this feels great. Look at my hand. It is so hydrated. I'm loving that. I'm loving you, Seibella. I'm loving you. I'm not scared of you. And I love the packaging. Can we talk about these boxes? I love that they're recycled. You know, they're made from recyclable paper, recyclable cardboard, and I love that. You know, nothing harmful in these products, nothing that's going to hurt your skin or hurt the environment. And I'm glad about that. It's about time that we've had something um that we love, that we can use without you know kind of with a clear conscience in a way. And so one of the things about these products that I love is that I was looking at their site, and the beauty products, the color products. Oh my God, can we talk about inclusion? They have every range and shade of foundation. So I know that I'm going to find something for myself. And one of my coaches, she lives in Miami. So I don't have to worry about it not holding up under the Texas sun or the Texas heat because I know it holds up for her and she uses it. So anyway, I am going to use these products for a few days. And since they're eye products, I'll probably check back in about 3 days and let you know, do I see any brightness? How is it hydrating my eyes? Different things like that. And I will keep you posted on if it's really working because I am getting some dark circles that I have to get rid of ASAP. So, anyway, thank you for tuning in. I will keep you guys posted. Thank you for watching. And as always, have a great day. Bye bye.